This video I'm going to show you how to actually create a banner for your landing page. Oftentimes in marketing you want to create go out to local sites or community sites and offer a banner so that people can click on it and go to your landing page. And the old traditional way was that you went and hired a graphic artist, and then you hired somebody to program that into the actual page, so when they clicked on it, it would actually pull up your page. So we wanted to automate that process so that you wouldn't have to go through all those steps. So I'm going to show you how cool this is and how easy it is to use. I'm going to jump down here. This is my Warbirds 2 campaign. If I clicked on it, this is using our custom template, and this is a local museum in our community that it's a Warbirds museum where they actually restore old airplanes and do air shows and so forth. So this is their campaign that we set up for list building. It has a nice video on it. So what I want to do is I actually want to create a banner for this page. I might put that on some local sites. Being that it is a non-profit organization, I might even get some free advertising on it. So I'm going to jump over to edit my campaigns. I'm going to select that specific campaign. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to select the option called Create Banner Ad and hit Submit. Now when this starts up, it's very simple actually. If you scroll down here, you're going to see some samples of what the ad looks like, and these ads pretty much have text flying in and out, and then it has some animation to draw the eye to it with a single call to action, kind of like a mini landing page, but it's actually a banner ad. And to modify that ad, all you're going to do is change the headline text, the subheadline. So that we put some in here, introducing the product, compelling headlines. So I'm going to say fly with us, okay? And that's going to be my lead in. Free flights on Warbird or whatever airplane. Okay, if I can type. Okay, and then I put in my benefits here, and this would be no cost, support benefits, take to the sky, right? And as I move down this, it asks me a series of questions to fill out. Now all of this is going to be converted into my actual banner. Now right here, a couple things you're going to want to know. This matches up with the call to action, download now, and I might say visit now if I was going to promote this one. And then this is where the styling comes in. The first says it's going to ask me to select the button style. So I'm going to go with the blue button. And then down here, I'm going to scroll down. It says pick a color. And I might do, if I got a blue button, maybe I'll do a green, an actual light green banner ad. And then I can pick a pattern for it. And I'm definitely going to go with something that has to do with, let me do with new waves. Actually, I'll do old school swirls, and then I can add a texture here, and I'm going to do sky clouds, and then I can add additional features like a light grain, a top bottom border. I can jump inside here and add a shadow to the bottom. I can do some intense light, maybe even some fire flames, and I can even darken the corners on it. And then this is a few little extra touches I'm going to put on it. Animation. I can do some headline highlights. Maybe come inside here and do some blurry lines and some crazy lights. That sounds fun. And then I hit click to create banner ad. I know this is taking a little bit of time to fill all this out, but look at the results you get when you're done. Isn't that cool? Visit now. And then if you want to change anything on that, you just click back here to banner settings, and you change it. But what this does is it automatically built us all of our embed code, and this is what you would provide to somebody if they wanted to put this banner on their website. And it would link over properly, and it's going to pull up your page and everything. So you have different types of them there, which is kind of cool. Now I'll just show you how quickly I can change this. Go back to banner setting. I'm just not quite digging the green and the blue, so I'm going to jump back over here, and I'm going to pick let's do a red button, and let's get rid of that green, and let's go to a dark red, and then let's jump over here and let's jump in here and throw a few more things in. Moving bars, we can do some funny lines. We'll make this just crazy, and instead of doing the old school swirls, let's go some triangles and sky clouds. Let's do a grunge concrete. This is going to look interesting. Click to create banner ad, and now it's going to reprocess that with a completely new look. Isn't that sweet how that's working now? So anyhow, some fun stuff with banners. You can create them on the fly. It already produces your embed code, and you don't have to be a graphic artist or a programmer to build a banner on Add to Action. Hope you've enjoyed this one. This is one of those fun tools that you can never have too much of. Just jump in here and play around with it. Thank you very much.